Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now it's Happy Mail Day and I got this sent to me from a lady called Janet. And Janet, thank you so much for this. So much. Now it's always a brilliant surprise actually when these come in through my door. And if you plan to send Happy Mail, then if you email me, I'll put my email down in the description. If you email me, then I'll give you my address. So let's get this opened. I'm going to open this from the side. It's really packed and it's quite hefty as well. So I'll do it very carefully. I'll go very carefully. It's like doing a little operation. So it's like scalpel, scalpel. Oh my, look at this. Oh my goodness. Now, a lot of people do say to me, what do you do with all of this? I do use it, I really do. When they're getting uploaded onto my YouTube channel, I might have actually had these for a few days or even a week or so before I video it. I like to open it and video it at the same time. Look at that. Do you want to see what's in there? There's nothing of interest for you. There's nothing of interest. Oh, look at this. I'll take the top one out. Oh, look at that. James Seabread Flutter by. Oh, this is so soft. It's like a chenille. It's quite a thinner one, but you use a smaller hook with this. A lot of people will say that this shifts once you've made it because it's so soft and you get big holes in it. But the trick is with this kind of yarn, use a smaller hook. Now it's 100 grams. I'm not giving it to you, Muttley, no. JBQ06. Well, let's try to get into the bag. That's because one of my friends sent him some doggy biscuits and they were inside the bag, and this is what he thinks now, that he's going to get a treat out of the bag. It tells you, does it tell you what size to use? It tells you to use a US size 3 or a 3.25, that's a 3.5. So it does tell you to use quite a small crochet hook or knitting needle if you're using this, and that avoids any holes in that on it. That is beautiful. What is it? Do you want now? So this one is Flutter by. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it down behind there. I'll move that forward a little. Oh, there's another one. There is another one. It's the same one. That is so pretty. Oh my, there's another one. And another one. Oh, oh, that's so cute. I'll put that back in. That's so cute. They're there. We've got 4 of those ones. I'll put them there. That is beautiful. And there's another one that doesn't have a label, but that's fine. Don't you worry if you're doing a D-stash and you're sending me yarn that doesn't have a label. That doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. I'm always pushing the chair. Wow, you're not having anything. No, you're not having it. And then we've got, oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, a big 300 gram ball of Aran. This is soft, it's beautiful. Look at the colours in it. That is absolutely beautiful. And this is a B&M bargain yarn. And don't think for a minute that people don't use like the stuff from B&M and Home Bargains. A lot of the yarn's lovely. It's beautiful. And that's going to make a really decent size lap blanket. So it is. Thank you very much, Janet. So much. That is amazing. Look at that. That's beautiful. Can't get over the colours. That's beautiful. And then we've got this lovely ball of pink. This is a Stylecraft chunky. It's a pink chunky. And even single balls are brilliant because, especially if it's chunky as well, chunky crochets up so quickly. It's great for blankets. And ones like this are great for doing the samples that I do once I've done larger blankets. I'll pop that aside, and he's in a huff. Look, you can't really see him. He's down here and he's huffing because I'm not giving him the bag. He's in a huff. And then we'll dig in here. There's a lovely little ball of yellow. And then there's another one of that pink. And don't worry that if it's only like a half a ball, don't worry. I mean, even my sister does a lot of granny squares and things, so it's not as if I don't know who to give yarn to. And this is really pretty. Look at the colours on that. That is so pretty. And again, don't worry if it's like this. I've got a winder, a wool winder that will wind it up into a cake. I do this with my yarn as well. So don't think for a minute. And don't worry about all the little bits. They're great for granny squares. If you collect all your little bits, they're great for making granny squares. I've got tangled up in here. I think that bit belongs to there. And that little bit belongs to there. We'll wind that up. There we go. I'll pop this aside. But that is so pretty, that. It's really nice and soft as well. That little stress ball, I can sit there and squidge it. It's good exercise for your hands if you've got arthritis, by the way. I'll pop that down in there. And I've got a little bit of white. We'll just pop that down there. Don't worry about all those little odds and ends. They all get used. And then we've got some more of that white that's there. Look at that. Stylecraft Special White Double Knitting. White is always brilliant to have. I love making baby blankets out of white. It's so pretty. And there is, oh, look at this. There is 1, 2, we'll pop them up there. It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe. There's a 3 and a 4. That one doesn't have a label, but it's the same yarn. That is brilliant, Janet. It really is. This is brilliant. I love it. And look at these. There's one that's there. I'll put that there. But these are the same as that one, so that makes up 3 balls. And that's it. I can give that back to Muttley. There you go, Muttley. There you go. Doesn't want to play with it. He's in a huff with me. He's in a huff. This is King Cole Beaches. That is so pretty. Someone else gave me some of this in a different colour. It's beautiful. This one is called Waikiki Beach. It's called Waikiki Beach. It's 100 grams and this is so soft. It's unbelievable. It is so, so soft. Should have said that with the last ones. But some yarns you get, they're soft. And then you get ones that are like this, that are so soft. And then you get ones that are so, so soft. So there's a difference in the sews when you get to these yarns. And this is really, really soft. Janet, thank you so, so much. It's really, really appreciated. And that is beautiful. I really like the colours in that. Look at that. It's beautiful little sort of like pastel toffee colours, and there's mints and blues and creams in there. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That's going to make a beautiful blanket. And it'll make quite a large one because I'm sure I've got one of these upstairs and that'll make 3. That's perfect. Brilliant. Thank you so much, Janet. So, so much. I'm wondering, because this is quite soft and it feels like that, I'm just wondering if that's the same brand because it's really soft. Doesn't matter, it'll get used. That's brilliant. So Janet, thank you so, so much. I really, really do appreciate it. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click on that subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon that's just there, YouTube will tell you when I put up another video. And if you want to send Happy Mail, which is becoming a huge feature on this channel, I don't think there's any other crochet or knitting channel on YouTube that gets as much Happy Mail as I do, and it's absolutely amazing. It really, really is. From de-stash to sometimes it's brand new balls of wool, and I really, really do appreciate it. And that is what's getting used on all my videos now. It's all yarn that other people have sent to me, and it's wonderful. It really, really is. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you want to send some happy mail, I'll put my email address at the end of the video if you watch the spelling, because my name is spelt different in the email than it is on the actual channel itself. And then you can pass on any of your happy mail. And if there's any yarn that I've got here, I do have a few other people that I really know that are desperate, that make granny squares and do a lot of charity crochet, and all the little balls like that, they really, really appreciate all of those little scraps of yarn to make their little granny blankets. They make them for charity, they make them for homeless. She's a lovely, lovely lady. Anyway, thank you so, so much, Janet. I really do appreciate it. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon with some more happy mail. Goodbye.